Well, if we are looking at search engine marketing, which is really where my expertise comes from, and going to be looking at strategies to dominate the search engines, both in organic search as well as paid search, I think the most important thing and message from Google's perspective, at least this year, with Panda and Penguin and all the algorithmic updates designed to weed out poor quality site, is that all web owners who want to participate in the search channel, especially with Google, have to learn to up your value. So we're talking about not just having a website, but a website that communicates unique value, unique information. Now, of course, just because you provide unique information does not mean that you necessarily will benefit from the search channel. There has to be a proper structuring of your website. So Google has given us some guidelines on what to do and what not to do, but essentially you really want to understand Google's perspective of what a high quality website is. And of course, there's a science to it. There's a study there's a strategy out there known as search engine optimization. But again, you have to be careful in terms of how you go about employing search engine optimization or SEO, because a lot of the techniques that maybe used to work many years will not work today. If you approach the search channel with, for example, automating content, automating your backlinks and off-page SEO, you'll realize that such methods will unlikely work moving forward. So certainly there's a lot of readjustment that is required, especially for sites which have been around for a longer time and who used to approach this manner from an automation perspective. Certainly you're going to be at risk with your approach, and essentially if you move forward, then what Google is saying is that you have to learn to give value. All of us have to learn to do that if you want to achieve long-term success with the search engine channels.